Dear students, today we are going to start chapter number 8, Introduction to Trigonometry. See exercise 8.1. Now, see question number 1. First one, in triangle ABC, right angle triangle at B. In triangle ABC, right angled at B. AB equal to 24 centimeter and BC equal to 7 centimeter. Determine sin A and cos of A. For the solution, consider a triangle ABC. First we draw a triangle A, B and C. Now see this is triangle, right angle triangle ABC. It is 90 degree at B, that is right angled at B. There are AB equal to 24 centimeter and BC equal to 7 centimeter, means AB 24 and BC equal to 7 centimeter. But AC is not given. So you know very well, by Pythagoras theorem you can find third side because you have studied Pythagoras theorem in previous standard. Sum of square of two sides equal to square of hypotenuse in a right angled triangle. So sum of square of two sides, that is AB square plus BC square. So that side is AB square and BC square, means they make right angle triangle at common point. तो यहाँ पर common point क्या है? B. What is common point? B. So AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. Substituting the values of AB and BC, so we get 24 square plus 7 square equal to AC square. So 24 square is 576, 7 square is 49. So AC square becomes 625. Now taking square root on both sides and taking positive value only, because side cannot be negative, so AC equal to 25 centimeter, because square root of 625 is 25. After that, you have to find sin A and cos of A, means for this angle. So sin of A, you know the formula in terms of sides, trigonometric ratios in terms of sides of a triangle. So sin A equal to sin side opposite to angle A upon hypotenuse, that is BC upon AC. So this gives 7 upon 25. We substitute the values from here, 7 upon 25. So we get final answer 7 upon 25. And cos of A, जिसका full name है cosine of A. So cos of A equal to side adjacent to angle A upon hypotenuse equals AB upon AC. Side adjacent, that is touching angle except hypotenuse, that is AB upon AC. So we get here 24 upon 25. So value of sin A equal to 7 upon 25 and value of cos A equal to 24 upon 25. Then question number first, sub question 1 completed now. Now see question number second. Second one, in triangle ABC, right angled at B, AB equal to 24 centimeter and BC equal to 7 centimeter, determine sin C and cos of C. Means for the same triangle, now you have to find for angle C of the same trigonometric ratios. In the previous question, you have completed sin of angle A and cos of angle A. But in this question, you have to find sin of angle C and cos of angle C. So first you have to draw a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle means ABC, here it is 90 degree at B. Values of AB and BC are given 24 centimeter and 7 centimeter. Using Pythagoras theorem in right angle triangle ABC, so we get AC square equals AB square plus BC square. Therefore AC square equals 24 square plus 7 square, and it is equal to 576 and it is 49. So we get AC square equal to 625. Taking square root on both sides, we get AC equal to root 625, that is 25 centimeter. Square root of 625 is 25. Now sin of angle C. So for this angle, this side is opposite, this is adjacent and this is hypotenuse. First you should understand for angle C, Which one is opposite side? Opposite to angle C, this side AB. So this is opposite to angle C, this is adjacent to angle C, and this is hypotenuse. See in the figure, AB is side opposite to angle C and BC is side adjacent to angle C, and AB is hypotenuse. So sine of angle C, according to the sine formula, side opposite to angle C upon hypotenuse. So this will be AB upon AC. Therefore, it is equal to 24 upon 25. And cos of angle C, that is cos C, equals side adjacent to angle C upon hypotenuse, equals BC upon AC. Here it is 7 upon 25. So if we compare these two sub questions, means first and second, so now see this answer. Sin C is 24 upon 25, and in the previous question you got here cos of A equal to 24 upon 25. So for the comparison, you can prove that cos of A equal to sin of C, because their values are equal. Dekho, 24 upon 25 and it is also 24 upon 25. So you can say cos A equals sin C because their corresponding right hand sides are equal, same. So 24 upon 25, it is also 24 upon 25. So in the same triangle, cos of A equal to sin of C. Similarly, this value cos of C is 7 upon 25. Now see in the sub question first, sin of A is 7 upon 25. So you can prove it. Sin A equals cos of C. So sin A equal to cos C and cos of A equal to sin C. You can say if they ask in any question, you prove that this equal to this and this equal to this, so you can prove easily like this. तो थोड़ा सा एक्स्ट्रा नॉलेज भी लेना चाहिए, ऐसा नहीं कि जस्ट क्वेश्चन यू हैव टू सॉल्व जस्ट क्वेश्चन. व्हाट इज द ट्विस्टिंग इन दिस क्वेश्चन, व्हाट विल बी द एक्स्ट्रा पार्ट, हाउ विल यू प्रूव इट इफ क्वेश्चन विल बी ट्विस्टेड. ओके, now let us start question number 2. In given figure, find tan p minus cot of r. Tan p minus cot r. So in the given figure, this is the given figure. The given figure here, QR is not given. After finding the value of QR by Pythagoras theorem, you can write here QR equal to 5. But it is given that only in the figure PQ equal to 12 centimeter and PR equal to 13 centimeter, and it is right angled at point Q. So first we observe the triangle PQR. Here PQ 12 centimeter and PR equal to 13 centimeter. And QR is not given. After finding, you can write, and angle Q is 90 degree. So by Pythagoras theorem, PQ square plus QR square equal to PR square. Therefore, square of 12 plus square of QR plus square of 13, equal to square of 13. Therefore, QR square equals 169 minus 144, square of 13 169, and here square of 12 taking on the right hand side becomes 144. So QR square is, here it is how much? 25. Subtracting, we get 25. Therefore, QR is 5 centimeter taking square root on both sides. You know very well, square root of 25 is 5 and square root of QR square is QR. So QR equal to 5 centimeter. So you should write here QR equal to 5 cm. Now you know all the three sides of a right angle triangle. Then you can find any trigonometric ratios by using this triangle. But here you have to find only tan P and cot R. So what is the value of tan P? See this angle, tan P. So for angle P, this one is opposite and this one is adjacent, and it is hypotenuse in every case. So for angle P, this is opposite, this is adjacent, and you want to find tan P. So tan P equals side opposite to angle P upon side adjacent to angle P. It is equal to QR upon PQ equals 5 upon 12. And cot R, for cot formula, side adjacent to angle R upon side opposite to angle R, and it is equal to QR upon PQ. It is also 5 upon 12. Now see this, for cot or, for this angle this is opposite and this is adjacent. But in cot or, adjacent upon opposite, this is the formula. So this will be 5 upon 12. So we see that tan P equal to 5 upon 12 and cot R equal to 5 upon 12. Both the values are identical, same. Therefore, tan P minus cot R. So value of tan P is 5 upon 12 and minus cot R, so it is minus 5 upon 12. So 5 upon 12 minus 5 upon 12 becomes 0. Therefore, tan P minus cot R equal to 0. It is your final answer. Now, see question number 3rd. If sin A equals 3 upon 4, calculate cos A and tan A. Calculate cos of A and tan of A. So sin A equal to 3 upon 4. Dear student, you can solve this question by using a right angle triangle also, but here we have given a solution by using identities. क्योंकि अगर ये क्वेश्चन एग्जाम में पूछा गया तो ये नहीं पूछा जाएगा कि बाय यूजिंग राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल और बाय यूजिंग आइडेंटिटीज. तो यू कैन सॉल्व बाय एनी वन मेथड. तो ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 मैंने आइडेंटिटीज से करके दिखाया है और इसके आगे के क्वेश्चन जो हैं वो राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल से, जिससे कि दोनों मेथड स्टूडेंट को मालूम हो और दोनों मेथड से कैसे फाइंड करना है. यू कैन सॉल्व इट इजिली. इज इट डिफिकल्ट? No, it's not difficult because sin A equal to 3 upon 4. So you can draw a right angle triangle and you know very well sin A equal to opposite upon hypotenuse, means side opposite to angle A upon hypotenuse, means opposite side 3, hypotenuse 4. So your remaining side you can find easily by using Pythagoras theorem, and that side will be root of 7. So you can find easily. If you have any problem, so you can ask in the comment section. Now see the solution. By using identities, since sin square A plus cos square A equals 1. Substituting the value of sin A equals 3 upon 4. So square of 3 upon 4 plus cos square A equals 1. Therefore 9 upon 16 plus cos square A equals 1. So therefore cos square A equals 1 minus 9 upon 16. Finally we get here 16 1 is 16 minus 9, that is 7 upon 16. So cos of A, the whole square, is 7 upon 16. Taking square root on both sides we get cos A equals root 7 upon 16. Taking square root we get root of 7 upon 4. Because root 7 is a prime number and 16 is perfect square, so its value is root of 7 upon 4. So cos A equal to root 7 upon 4. This is your first answer because you want to find cos of A. So cos A equal to root 7 by 4. Now you want to find tan A, and you know very well tan A equal to sin A upon cos A. If you don't know this formula, so you can refer my formula list in the previous videos. So tan A equals sin A upon cos A. Value of sin A, it is given in the question, 3 upon 4. We should substitute here. And value of cos A is root 7 by 4. We should substitute in the denominator. Here 4 going by 4, we get 3 upon root of 7. Or you can say 3 upon 4 into 4 upon root 7. 4 going by 4, we get 3 upon root 7. So value of tan A equals 3 upon root of 7. And value of cos A is root 7 by 4. So anyone can get by using right angle triangle same values for cos A and tan A. ओके तो ये क्वेश्चन समझ में आने के बाद अब चलते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. नाउ सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. गिवन 15 इंटू कॉट ए इक्वल टू 8. बहुत ही ध्यान से देखो, 15 इंटू कॉट ए इक्वल टू 8. फाइंड साइन ए एंड सेक ए. क्या क्या फाइंड करना है? साइन ए एंड सेक ए. तो फॉर द सॉल्यूशन लेट अस कंसीडर राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल एबीसी. सबसे पहले एक ट्रायंगल ड्रॉ कर लेते हैं ABC and it is right angled at B. It is given that cot A. तो एंगल A को छोड़कर किसी भी एक को राइट एंगल ले सकते हो, इधर पॉइंट C और पॉइंट B. तो मैंने यहाँ B को चूज कर लिया है. बिकॉज हियर cot A 15 cot A is 8, तो A नहीं ले सकते राइट एंगल. ओके, तो चलो, since 15 cot A equal to 8 it is given, therefore cot of A equal to 8 upon 15, taking 15 on the right hand side. So cot of A equal to 8 upon 15. But cot A equals side adjacent to angle A upon side opposite to angle A. So side adjacent to angle A, this is AB, and side opposite, this is BC. So 8 upon 15 equals AB upon BC. देखो cot A equal to this formula equals 8 upon 15 given equals AB upon BC. Now let AB equal to 8K and BC equal to 15K. Here 8 upon 15 is AB upon BC. So you can't say AB equal to 8 and BC equal to 15 because they are in ratios. ये रेशियो के फॉर्म में है. अगर सपोज कर लो हमने यहाँ पर मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 2 कर दिया 16 और यहाँ भी मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 2, तो 16 अपॉन 30, 24 upon 45, similar ratios, we get same ratio. So here we should consider a constant where k is positive integer. So AB equal to 8k and BC equal to 15k where k is positive integer. ये consider करके रखना है जिससे यहाँ पर कोई प्रॉब्लम ना हो कि ये exactly don't take here AB equal to 8 and BC equal to 15. If you will take AB is 8 and BC 15, you will get same answer. बट इन अनदर केसेस, जैसे और किसी भी क्वेश्चन में अगर हमें ये रेशियो दिया है और कोई और वैल्यूज फाइंड करनी है तो ये सम वेयर रॉन्ग भी हो जाता है. इसके लिए यहाँ पर एक कांस्टेंट अज्यूम किया जाता है. वैसे भी सिर्फ ये राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल के लिए साइड्स फाइंड करनी है तो यू विल गेट सेम आंसर विदाउट यूजिंग के, बट यूज के इट इज बेस्ट. सो इन ट्रायंगल एबीसी बाय पाइथागोरस थ्योरम AB square plus BC square is AC square by Pythagoras here. So value of AB is 8k, that is 8k square, and value of BC is 15k, that is 15k square, equals AC square. So square of 8k 64k square, and here square of 15k, that is 225k square, equals AC square. Therefore AC square equals 289k square. Taking square root on both sides, so AC equals 17k. AC equals 17k. सिंस साइन ए इज, फिर से वही फार्मूले आ रहे हैं, तो फार्मूले जो स्टूडेंट इंटरेस्टेड है फुल लिख सकते हैं. यहाँ पर मैं डिक्टेट कर देता हूं कि साइन ए इज व्हाट, साइड अपोजिट टू एंगल ए अपॉन हाइपोटेन्यूज, दैट इज बीसी अपॉन एसी. कौन से साइड हो जाएंगे, बीसी अपॉन एसी. फिर से साइड यहाँ पर देख सकते हो बीसी अपॉन एसी. तो को एंगल ए यहाँ पर है, इसके अपोजिट कौन सा है, बीसी. So BC upon AC. So we get here BC upon AC equals 15k upon 17k, and here k get cancelled, we get 15 upon 17. Similarly, sec A. So formula for sec A, hypotenuse upon side adjacent to angle A. So this is 17k upon 8k. Here k get cancelled, equals 17 by 8. अब देखो यहाँ पर k का कोई इफेक्ट नहीं पड़ा, ये k get cancelled, we get ratios only. But use a coefficient k where k is a positive integer. So this question is completed. You have to find only two trigonometric ratios, sin A and sec A. So sin A equal to 15 upon 17 and sec A equals 17 by 8. Now see question number 5. Given sec theta equals 13 upon 12, calculate all other trigonometric ratios. Sec theta is 13 upon 12, so calculate all other trigonometric ratios. Means remaining 5 ratios you have to find: sin, cos, sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta and cosec theta. With the help of sec theta 13 upon 12. So you can solve this question also by using trigonometric identities and by using a right angled triangle. तो यहाँ पर जो सोल्यूशन मैंने दिया है वो एक राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल यूज करके दिया है. तो यूजिंग राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल वी गेट सोल्यूशन. नाउ सी द सोल्यूशन. लेट अस कंसीडर राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल ABC. So this is right angle triangle A, B and C. So AB, here B is 90 degree and let angle A be theta. Theta is a Greek letter. So in triangle ABC, sec theta is 13 upon 12 given. तो sec theta is 13 upon 12 और इसका फॉर्मूला क्या होता है, हाइपोटेन्यूज अपॉन एडजेसेंट. देखो दिस इज AC हाइपोटेन्यूज, एडजेसेंट साइड थीटा, इसके एडजेसेंट कौन सी है, AB. सो AC अपॉन AB. So consider that let AC equal to 13K and AB equal to 12K. So AC 13K and AB equal to 12K. After that, in triangle ABC, by Pythagoras theorem, AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. By Pythagoras theorem यहाँ पर लिख लेना है. So value of AB is 12K, that is 12K square plus BC square as it is, and value of AC is 13K. So here 13K whole square. Now squaring each, so 144K square plus BC square equals 169K square. Therefore BC square equals 169K square minus 144K square, and subtracting it we get 25K square. So BC square equal to 25K square. Now taking square root, so BC equals 5K. BC का वैल्यू कितना मिला, 5K, where K is non-negative constant, or you can say K is non-negative integer या positive integer, जो भी बोलो. So since sin theta is side opposite to angle theta upon hypotenuse, that is BC upon AC. Sin theta equals BC upon AC equals 5K upon 13K. Value of BC is 5K, यहाँ से देख सकते हो दिस इज 5K, एंड वैल्यू ऑफ AC इज 13K. यहाँ से देख सकते हो AC इज 13K. तो 5K upon 13K, K get cancelled, we get 5 upon 13. Value of cos theta AB upon AC. So value of AB is 12K. See here, from here AB equal to 12K, so 12K upon 13K equals 12 upon 13. And value of tan theta BC upon AB, it is 5K upon 12K. Here K get cancelled, we get 5 upon 12. And value of cot theta AB upon BC equals 12K upon 5K. Here K get cancelled, it is 12 upon 5. And value of sec theta already given है, 13 upon 12 given. ये लिखो या नहीं लिखो क्योंकि तो गिवन ही है क्वेश्चन में. और एक लास्ट रेशियो जो वैल्यू ऑफ कोसेक थीटा आता है, तो कोसेक थीटा इक्वल्स AC अपॉन BC इक्वल्स 13K अपॉन 5K. हियर K गेट कैंसल्ड, इट इज 13 अपॉन 5. अब देखो ये कोसेक थीटा इज द रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ साइन थीटा. देखो यहाँ पर है 5 अपॉन 13 और यहाँ पर मेरे को क्या मिला है 13 अपॉन 5. वैल्यू ऑफ कॉस थीटा 12 अपॉन 13. तो वैल्यू ऑफ सेक थीटा क्या है 13/12 बिकॉज दे आर रेसिप्रोकल टू ईच अदर. वैल्यू ऑफ tan थीटा 5 अपॉन 12 एंड वैल्यू ऑफ cot थीटा इज 12 अपॉन 5. तो यहाँ से चेक कर सकते हो कि साइन वैल्यू ऑफ साइन थीटा इज द रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ कोसेक थीटा, वैल्यू ऑफ cos थीटा इज द रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ सेक थीटा, एंड वैल्यू ऑफ tan थीटा इज द रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ cot थीटा और वाइस वर्सा. तो दोनों एक दूसरे के रेसिप्रोकल हैं और ये सभी फार्मूला लिस्ट में मैंने अपलोड कर दिया है. तो कोई भी स्टूडेंट अगर फार्मूले में कहीं भी कोई भी डाउट है तो यू कैन रेफर माय फार्मूला लिस्ट इन द प्रीवियस वीडियोस, यू कैन चेक इट. तो डियर स्टूडेंट, उम्मीद करता हूं आप लोगों को क्वेश्चंस अभी एकदम अच्छे से समझ में आ गए होंगे और आप लोग बहुत ही अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस करोगे. तो रिमेनिंग क्वेश्चंस के लिए मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. थैंक यू.